um, turn it around and see what happens. Just started it and it's using too much current now. Okay. I have to search for the right RPM. Okay, but the funny thing is, the lamp is on. And actually I suspected that it might not have been. So this suggests that my theory is not correct. Or, oh, I don't know. Just let's do a test with the magnet. As you can see, or not, I don't know. But it's vibrating a lot. I can let you hear it otherwise. It's really going up and down a lot. But then when I go up, I still feel it a little. But here it's gone. So yeah, it's a lot. Well, when I was having them the other way around, it was equal everywhere. I can show that again. So I'm going to do some tests. I'm going to let it open and short it out. As you can see, the lamp, I think it's about the same as when I turn them around, but I'm not sure, so I'm going to do that as well and then compare it. I cannot say it because it was yesterday and I cannot compare it right. But let me see. Let's take a reading with the tag. It's now 326. I think I can let it go a little faster because now it's 230 milliamps and it should be somewhere around 180. So it's probably speeding up again. Steady here. Let's see what's the tag saying. 322. No, it's going down. So actually, it's using a lot of current to keep it running. It's ever more. Now it's around 200 milliamps. That's not what I'm looking for. I wanted to use not so many. The RPMs are not very high. I mean, 325 is not fast. That was much better. But still, it's generating some power. So okay, I'm going to short them out. I'll just stop this so I have my hands free. Okay. So now I shorted them. See here, lamps off. It's starting to pick up speed. It's now, whoa, that's a lot more. Oh, 400, 414, 415. That's a lot better, and now it's using 270 milliamps, so I just can turn that down. It should be somewhere around. It's still picking up speed. Okay, we're gonna. I have to change this. Okay, so it's really speeding up now. 480. I think this will go to 500. And here it's still using more current, so I can adjust it a little. I'm doing that here with the potential meter. It's still picking up speed. So now it's 500, over 500, and my wood is beginning to tick again a little. Oh man, I have to bend this a little or something, but not too much. Okay, still picking up speed, so I can adjust it down a little more. Now it's think it's somewhere around here. That is the tuning point. That's the maximum. And it's now 524. 524. That's interesting. Very interesting. Now if I release the short here again, put a lamp on it. By the way, as you can see, it's now much brighter. It's going very fast, but now it will probably drop and it will just stop. It's going to stop now. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is put them back the original way, and then I'm going to do one up, one down. That was asked by someone, and I'm actually quite curious myself what it will do. I have no theories why or what, but just try it, have some fun. Okay, they're back the original way, the way I thought that it would be better. I've adjusted up a little. Okay, go beyond a certain point where it's picking up speed. So now it's going up now. Okay. Well, lamp is actually about the same as when I turn them around. So that's not. Although I can go down a little in resistance. I'm not sure what the right point is. As long as this is climbing, it's going okay. So it's still speeding up. I can see that on the tag as well. Let's see what the reading on the tag is at this moment. It's 320. That's familiar. It's about the same as with the coils the other way around. Okay, still picking up a little. So maybe I can adjust it a little down because it's now 250 milliamps. I'm sure it must be able to run around 200 or maybe even lower. Okay, it's still speeding up. But it's not going really fast. 329, 330. It's still going faster, but it's not really a lot. I can still tune it down a little bit. It's very slowly picking up speed. So there's not much power in these coils magnetically. I get some current off, but the lamp is on okay. But it's not more than with the other way around. So interesting. Okay. 330. 330. And I think it's not going to be much more than 330. So okay, let's call it 330. What I'm going to do, I'm going to short it out again. Just wait. Okay, so now it's shorted out. It's already picking up speed. 420, 21, 22. And another test I want to do. Let's see. It's also here down below vibrating a lot. And when I go up, it's not so much. So it's actually exactly the same as with the other one. So that means I think that I don't have enough copper. As long as this magnet is picking up this field here, that means that I can use that field and use more copper. So I think around 500, 600 grams would be nice. And then you don't feel anything anymore. Then the complete field is absorbed by the copper. So these are just 280 grams. So I need a little more copper. I need a little bigger coils than here. I'm not sure if I stay with this cone. Now let me see. We can turn this a little down. pick up some more speed. Okay, so now it's going faster and faster. I think it was around 200 milliamps that I did it with the other way around. Okay, let's see what happens on attack. It's 480. I'll probably also go over 500. So it's still going up milliamps. I'm going to adjust it down. Keep it around 200. I think it's staying here a bit. Okay, let's see. 503. Still going up a little, but not a lot. I'm not sure if it's going to be the same. Still going up a little, but I don't think I can go much further. Yes, it's okay. That's my meter. It wants to shut off. Oh. Still going up a little. So to be honest, I think I'm not sure if the iron is exactly at the same spot. So give or take, I think it's about the same. So much for the cone form. I don't think it will do you much good. Okay, well, nice to know. Okay, so I did one up, one down. Switch the wires, otherwise it won't do anything. And give it a start. Okay, lamp's coming on. It's 270 milliamps, so we can go down slowly. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's look at the tag. 312, 340, 15. Okay, I think I can make the conclusion that it's no use. The only thing I can do now is for fun. Can't see the magnet vibrate. And up here, comes nothing. So I go here. It's the same thing. It's just up here there's nothing. So I want to do one more test. That's going to be interesting. No coils at all. See what happens. But the light's about the same and everything is about the same RPM, everything's the same, so I'll draw my conclusions. Okay, back again. No coils, just the iron. And let's see what happens. Sorry, press the button. Okay, so it's using a lot of current now, so we're going to turn it down and down and down. Okay, so what's the RPM? 400, no, almost 400. I'm still climbing. That's interesting. So turn it down around 200. It's around 200 now, 200 milliamps. and it's 4:30. It's interesting. So when I short out the coils, it's going over 500. When I use a lamp, it's around 300. But when I use nothing, still can go a little downward current. Okay. So RPM will go up a little more. That will go 450, I guess. Okay, we'll be somewhere around 450. We'll go up a little more, very slowly. Okay, I call it 450. But that's not my point. I just want to see what happens when I keep the magnet here. And you can hear it's vibrating a lot here. And when I go up here, there's not much left, but I still feel a little here. So without the coils, you can feel it everywhere. It's just has to attract. I'll try some other magnets so that you can see. Okay, try it with this magnet. As you can see, here it is a little. Here up, it's gone. But in the middle, it's really the best. But here, still wants to go both ways, but it's not vibrating anymore. It's nothing. So, I don't know.